So we are trying to create an image in a very simple way. This is the Moodle, let's say, for this one. So the Moodle, and see this the unit, and I'm just taking this and going to the ChatGPT, and let's make it quickly like this. Create an image like this, not more than this, and put this, and let's see what's the result. So creating image, it's creating, and this is the ChatGPT 4, by the way. So I just copied the learning outcomes from for any unit. So it's a very simple way to go with that. Said here's the image, but I couldn't see the image for a reason. I need maybe, yeah. Wow. So as you see, this is the image. There are some words, and it's not for, I think, for copyright things. The ChatGPT did not take it as it is. So I will go and said, please, I don't want any words, any word in the image. The image, I just want the visual elements. Let's see what we can get. Wow, this is amazing. Even when I said there is no word, it's taking the essential things about this unit, which is examine the risk-based testing and these things. So it's wrote it as it is, which is, I really like this. So you see the ChatGPT can produce this, and this is can be inspire students when they opening the Moodle to see how this is going to work. So if I want to download this, say, so let's say I'll put it on the desktop just in case. Yeah, and it's called DALL-E this, so I will name it like risk analysis. Risk analysis unit, image. Okay, so I will save it there. I will go to the Moodle. I'll take the like 10 letting on, and then I will add the activity here. Yeah, so I will take this and I will take it from here, from desktop, and I'll put it here, hopefully. Yeah, it's going. So don't know why it's copied 2 times. So this one, so I will save it. Wow, this is amazing. As you see, this is the one here. So I will move it to the beginning, move it, and this is the spec, let's say, or maybe, yeah, exactly. So this is the spec, it's the task list. Wow, this is really attract the eyes of students when they are opening this one. So I maybe make it even better to put it here. Yeah, So this is represent this learning outcome or learning objectives. I really amazed with the ChatGPT or DALL-E how he can produce this one. It's really amazing. So this is a very simple way to produce an image, to put it as a learning resources or learning engaging, name it. Thank you.